Here is a beginner-level brand manager quiz that covers brand identity development, brand storytelling, and customer journey mapping. Let's go! Question 1. What does brand identity primarily represent? A. The company's product packaging only. B. The set of visual and emotional elements that define a brand. C. The company's quarterly sales report. And D. The job titles within a company. The answer is the set of visual and emotional elements that define a brand. Question 2. Which of the following is not part of brand identity? A. Logo and brand colors. B. Typography and tone of voice. C. Employee salary structure. And D. Tagline and design elements. The answer is employee salary structure. Question 3. The purpose of developing a strong brand identity is to A. Ensure consistent customer experience and recognition. B. Increase customer confusion. C. Allow frequent logo changes. And D. Focus only on internal branding. The answer is ensure consistent customer experience and recognition. Question 4. Which element contributes the most to emotional branding? A. Sales charts. B. Product weight. C. Pricing strategy. And D. Storytelling. The answer is storytelling. Question 5. What is the purpose of brand storytelling? A. To communicate the brand's purpose and emotionally connect with the audience. B. To explain technical specifications. C. To track employee performance. And D. To describe logistics operations. The answer is to communicate the brand's purpose and emotionally connect with the audience. Question 6. A strong brand story should A. Be complex and abstract. B. Focus on the company's internal policies. C. Be authentic, engaging, and aligned with brand values. And D. Ignore customer emotions. The answer is be authentic, engaging, and aligned with brand values. Question 7. Which of the following is least relevant to brand storytelling? A. Founder's journey. B. Mission and vision. C. Community impact. And D. Equipment maintenance reports. The answer is equipment maintenance reports. Question 8. Customer journey mapping refers to A. Mapping the delivery route of a product. B. Creating a website design. C. Understanding the entire path a customer takes with the brand. And D. Evaluating employee onboarding timelines. The answer is understanding the entire path a customer takes with the brand. Question 9. What is a touchpoint in customer journey mapping? A. A competitor's advertisement. B. Any interaction a customer has with a brand. C. A brand's logo file. And D. A company's yearly revenue. The answer is any interaction a customer has with a brand. Question 10. What is the first step in creating a customer journey map? A. Developing a financial plan. B. Analyzing competitors' manufacturing systems. C. Identifying customer personas and expectations. And D. Setting sales targets. The answer is identifying customer personas and expectations. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which metric is most relevant when evaluating brand identity success? A. Employee working hours. B. Vendor onboarding timelines. C. Monthly electricity consumption. And D. Brand recognition and recall rate. The answer is brand recognition and recall rate. Question 12. What kind of story helps build trust in brand storytelling? A. Fictional and unrelated stories. B. Stories that focus solely on profits. C. Real, customer-centered stories aligned with brand values. And D. Technical instruction manuals. The answer is real, customer-centered stories aligned with brand values. Question 13. What makes the customer journey smooth and memorable? A. Seamless brand experience across all touchpoints. B. Irregular branding elements. C. Complicated steps and inconsistent messaging. And D. Ignoring post-purchase follow-up. The answer is seamless brand experience across all touchpoints. Question 14. The most effective way to connect storytelling to the customer journey is A. By narrating stories at irrelevant stages. B. By embedding stories into each customer interaction. C. By focusing stories only on product specs. And D. By avoiding social media platforms. The answer is by embedding stories into each customer interaction. Question 15. Which of the following is a benefit of strong brand identity? A. Less visibility in the market. B. Weak emotional connection. C. Higher customer trust and loyalty. And D. Frequent need for rebranding. The answer is higher customer trust and loyalty. Question 16. A brand persona in storytelling is A. The average time spent on a website. B. A fictional representation of the ideal customer. C. A competitor's brand ambassador. And D. A trademark lawyer's profile. The answer is a fictional representation of the ideal customer. Question 17. Which tool is commonly used for visualizing customer journey maps? A. Inventory spreadsheet. B. Project Gantt chart. C. Legal compliance checklist. And D. Journey mapping canvas or template. The answer is journey mapping canvas or template. Question 18. Which of these statements best connects all three concepts: identity, storytelling, and journey? A. Customers don't care about branding if the price is low. B. A compelling brand story aligned with identity makes every customer touchpoint meaningful. C. Journey mapping is unrelated to storytelling. And D. A good logo alone creates brand loyalty. The answer is a compelling brand story aligned with identity makes every customer touchpoint meaningful. Question 19. What should a customer feel throughout their journey with a brand? A. Confusion and inconsistency. B. Surprise and frequent message changes. C. Consistency, trust, and emotional connection. And D. Indifference and distance from brand values. The answer is consistency, trust, and emotional connection. Question 20. What is the primary role of brand storytelling in digital platforms? A. To engage, inform, and emotionally connect with digital audiences. B. To fill space on websites and social media. C. To push sales aggressively. And D. To only promote discounts and offers. The answer is to engage, inform, and emotionally connect with digital audiences. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.